video or हमने okay, player are waiting for ball. The ball arrived here, and now the match will start again. Okay, the ball is going throw and out, throw and out. Player can't get enough time to play with their interest, and just now the match finished, and now they wanna edit another 5 times, and might be the match is last match for 2 nights because it's late night and it's a Ramadan month. We have to take sahri for fasting, so that's why. And the player who came from Bangaw, they have to go their home. He he requested for give extra time, 5 minutes. Shuag control the ball very well, and Rashid Mama is pass the ball. Jubal can't make it goal, and the ball is flying over the field, and here is the ball. He is Shuhar. He is my maternal brother. I spoke before. He is a professional goalkeeper. Also, he played very well. He also joined many tournaments, mini bar or 6 bar. We often go with him. And Said can't pass very fast. Okay, my